Hello and welcome, and today we're gonna unbox the Redmi 8A for you guys. The Redmi 8A comes powered by the Snapdragon 439 processor, and the one we're gonna unbox for you is the one with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. And from the back you can see that this is the sunset red color variant, and this one is the processor that it's running on, and it comes with a 5000 mAh battery with a single 12 megapixel AI camera and Corning Gorilla Glass on top of the 6.22-inch display. So let's quickly check what you get inside the box of the Redmi 8A. So this is the box for all the documents, and here we have the smartphone in itself, and it does look pretty good. As you can see, the color changing as you go from the top to the bottom. Here you can see the single camera module at the back, while I'm just going to turn on the phone to show you just how fast and snappy the smartphone really is. While it's being turned on, let's set it aside and check what else you get in the box. Here you have the Mi charger. It's a typical 10-watt charger that tops up the 5000 mAh battery, and it's going to take some time for you to do it. And this one is the Type-C cable that you get out of the box to charge the Redmi 8A. Let's see what else you get inside. Here is the SIM card remover. The Redmi 8A comes with a 2+1 SIM card slot where you can put 2 SIM cards as well as a micro SD card slot for additional storage. Here you have some additional documents which list down the warranty and servicing requirements, as well as a short user guide. So I'm going to quickly set it aside and give you a quick tour of the Redmi 8A that we have in our hands today. So by the looks of it, it does look pretty good. The 6.22-inch display looks good to use, and the grip on the phone is absolutely perfect. So that was the Redmi 8A for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this unboxing video.